You journal. You read. You've watched every Fix Your Life video on the internet, and yet, nothing really changes. Ever wondered why? Because checking off habits doesn't mean you're growing. You might be doing 10 things a day and still avoiding the one thing that actually matters. Improvement isn't about being busy. It's about being honest. And that's where most people fail. You don't lack discipline. You've just mastered distraction. We create productive routines to avoid facing uncomfortable truths. Like that conversation you're delaying, that habit you know is killing your momentum, that dream you're afraid to admit out loud. We mask comfort as progress and call it a self-care day. But deep down, you know the truth. Most people don't improve because they don't know what they're improving toward. They follow routines that worked for someone else and wonder why they still feel empty. Clarity beats effort. Without direction, your hustle is just noise. Ask yourself this: if I kept repeating today, every day, would I actually get where I want to go? If the answer is no, something needs to change. Now, you're not broken, but maybe you're building someone you don't want to become. Improvement isn't about perfection. It's about awareness and choosing better, one honest action at a time. Start there, not next week, not when you feel ready. Start now.